Hi, I'm Charlotte. I'm from Bluerskies Mindful Creatives. We are an artist collective consisting of myself and a fellow artist, Kirsty. We bring pop-up art and creative workshops to adults and children, believing that art and creativity can stimulate the mind and bring positivity. With that in mind, today I'm going to talk you through how to make your own unique dream catchers. This is one here. From things around your home or out on your daily walks, you can collect things. The first stage is using the twigs and the string and scissors. We're going to make the shape of the dream catcher. So this is the frame. So we're going to do a triangle, this one. So I'm going to match up 2 and 2. So I do 2 because it kind of keeps it really strong. So I'm going to put these 2 together and face them that way. These 2 here, and then those 2 I think I'll do there. You can kind of play around with it. You can say, oh, I'll swap this one maybe for this one. Put that there though. Like that. So once you've decided, well, I'm going to have these 2 together. These 2 and these 2. Then you need to fix them together. I'll show you one end. So I'm just going to tie the string round like this, and then do a nice little knot to keep it nice and tight like that. I'll do 2 knots actually, just to be safe. And then I've done these now, so each one they're tied together quite firmly. And now I'm going to make the shape of my dream catcher, a triangle. So I'm going to play around with what I think will look nice. Like this. Stick a bit like this. They need to overlap each one, because what we're going to do is tie the string round to hold them together. So I'll start with them. Go over diagonally, so I'm going to take this off. Start here. So I'm going to wrap this round. So with the thread that you've chosen, or even the string you've chosen, we will start with, so decide where the top of your dream catcher is, which mine's going to be here. So we need to knot, do a knot here of our starting point. This, and make sure it's a double knot, because you don't want it coming loose. I'll cut this bit off at the end, but for now it doesn't matter. So we have to choose how many points we want on our circle. So when I say points, that's where you're going to tie your string to. So I'm going to do 1 here, 1 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then that'll be 7. So coming to the first point around here, we go over the frame, so this is the framework, and then we need to go back up and through that hole that we've just made. So what happens there is you create a little bit of a lock where it won't move. So I'll do another one. So to the next one is going to be about here. So we're going to go over, and then up through that one there. So that is the method, and that's the method that you do all the way around. So the next point will be here, so I'm going to go over and then bring it up through that triangle there. My next point is here, so I'm going to go over the frame, over there, and then under the frame and up through this hole here. Next point is going to be here, so over, under the frame and then up through this hole here. Next point here, over, up through this hole here. And then the last one, exactly the same, over and up through here. So you're back at the very start. It starts to get a little bit trickier here. But it's actually the same method. So when we say we go over the frame, now we're going to be going over the string. So we'll be going over this first piece of string here. So I'm going to hold it out here so you can see. And we're going to go over it and then up through this hole. Next one is this piece of string. So I'll hold it out here. Over this and then up through this hole. Next piece is this string here, so I'm going over and then up through here. Next piece is here. Over. So you want it to be in the centre of that string. Next piece is here, so over, up through this gap here, and again, over. Make sure you give it a little tug to keep them nice and tight. Next piece of string is here, over, there. And that's it, you've gone all the way round. So the next piece of string will be there, then moving on to this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and then you keep following it round. So it's always the next piece of string in the middle section. And that was the hardest bit. Now we can make it look pretty, so we're going to do all the dangly bits of fabric at the bottom. So I've got some bits that I've already cut, so you can just cut however you like really. I'll cut strips from the top, and I'll put a little brooch on the end. Cut a piece of a t-shirt like that. This is from a scarf. And then I've got lots of little pieces that I cut and then I knotted together. And they look quite nice that you've got a range of different ways. And then at the top, what I've done is I cut a little slit, slit like this. And then at the bottom, so this is the bottom of my dreamcatcher. I'm going to put it over like this. And then do a little knot like that. And the knots look quite nice. So that will dangle down. Again, do the same here. So And then we have it, our very own unique dream catcher. I hope you enjoyed the workshop.